So today I'll be explaining something interesting to you about 3D printing. Basically, 3D printing is creating many 2D shapes and layering them on top of each other, each time changing the shape slightly until a 3D shape is achieved. By using this method, you can print many things, from cute little figurines to useful gadgets and even a house. Over here is an FDM filament-based printer. Using this printer, I created this little octopus here. This printer is probably the simplest and cleanest way of 3D printing. There's also the DLP resin-based 3D printer. It can generate very refined details on 3D models. This printer uses photosensitive resin that can be cured or hardened when exposed to UV light. There are many softwares that you can use to design your own model or find some off the internet to print. Go to One World Anchor for more questions and opportunities.